Hello again. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, and it is Rosemary Week. We're going to look at 9 different varieties of rosemary this week and talk about all the different ones and what they're best for. Today, we're going to talk about cooking because, after all, isn't that why you want rosemary? Because you want to be able to make cool dishes like this. This is my wife's wonderful rosemary chicken, and by the way, we'll talk about how to make this a little bit later in the video. So here are 3 outstanding varieties for cooking. Although just about every rosemary will work, these 3 are especially designed to really be flavorful and are actually the ones that are ordered for chefs in their restaurants. First one up is barbecue. Now, what makes a good rosemary for cooking? Notice the one on the left in this video. That is barbecue rosemary, whereas the one on the right is the prostrate rosemary. That one is a little bit smaller leaf than the barbecue, and that's what makes a really great cooking rosemary, is something with really thick leaves. Next up is Chef's Choice, which gets about 2 feet by 2 feet. That one is a nice compact, good for container herb gardens. I really recommend that one for container herb gardens. And of course, last one, my favorite, Tuscan Blue, the most versatile of all the rosemaries. This one is really great because A, it's great for screening. It's really great for areas that you might have some rabbit issues in, but it is really great for cooking. This is probably one of the most popular rosemaries that are ordered by chefs for cooking in their restaurants. So there you have it. Those are the 3 great rosemaries for cooking that I recommend if that's really what you want rosemary for, to really do a lot of great cooking. By the way, the recipe for my wife's rosemary chicken is in the video description, so make sure to check that out, so you can see how to make this fabulous, fabulous dish. And it's really, really easy. These are just chicken thighs, rosemary, basil. But again, the whole recipe is there in the video description. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Hey, make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Stay tuned all week. We're going to look at rosemary for containers and slopes and hiding things, all kinds of things for rosemary because it is Rosemary Week. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.